This is a little review on the Autoglym Convertible Soft Top Clean and Protect Complete Kit. My honest opinion with it is that if your hood is not too bad, it's pretty good at keeping it protected as it is, and the sealant works really well. But if your hood is like pretty mucky, it's probably not going to give you sort of the results that you might perhaps be looking for. This is a slightly older kit. They may have improved it. Yeah, they might have improved it by now. I can't remember if the kit's slightly different, but yeah, if your hood's like really dirty, once you put the cleaner on and spray it off, and then put the sealer, once you dry it off and then put the sealer on, you know, it'll protect it definitely, but it might not. It's just my personal opinion. I've used it no end of times, and if you get like a mucky, and that's, you know, I get called out when hoods are quite poor, where they haven't been cleaned or treated in maybe 2 or 3 years. So it's not so great at removing all the grime. But if your hood is pretty tidy, or your soft top hood, it is good to clean it, freshen it up, put the sealer on, perhaps do it once a year. Is the way to go, definitely. I think the kit in Halfords, I think it's, don't quote me on it, but I think it's about £24, I think £25, something like that. But it does clean your hood, you know, a couple of times. The actual cleaner lasts a lot longer than the sealer. I always end up, and I don't know if you've used it yourself, but people watching this video, but you generally run out of sealer way before you run out of the actual cleaner. That's what it comes with. It comes in 500 milliliter bottles of the sealant, the cleaner, the sponge, and I think the newer, I think this probably is an older kit. The newer kit, I think there's a bottle in there to do with if you've got bird muck and stuff like that, or where it goes green around the edges. Sometimes that helps to get rid of that, but overall, you know, if you've got quite a mucky, faded hood, you know, it's, when I've used it, it's made a little bit of a difference, but it doesn't, when I've used it, it's never sort of really brought it back to that sort of as new-ish look. But then this is an older kit. I'm sure this is an older kit, so maybe the newer kit, the formula's slightly different. I have no idea. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, if you've got a cleanish hood, it's definitely worth using it to keep it looking, you know, nice and fresh and clean. There we go. So Autoglym Convertible Soft Top Clean and Protect Complete Kit.